Hi, do you want to know how to build your own custom AI voice agent without spending much time? Let us build it using Vocode tool that lets us build voice-based applications. We'll also be using GitHub, Render, Deepgram, OpenAI, Twilio, Webhook websites to build our own custom voice agent. I have provided the links in the description. Let us see how we are going to use these websites. GitHub.com to create a GitHub account if you don't already have one, so that you'll be able to copy the repository template. Deepgram.com is an automatic speech recognition platform. You will need this to convert your spoken audio into accurate text. Every new account will receive $200 credit, which is more than enough for our testing. Sign up for Deepgram account if you don't have one already. Create an API key and copy it somewhere. You'll not be able to see it after you create it once. Render.com is a cloud platform designed to simplify deploying and managing web applications. You will use this to deploy your AI voice agent application. Go to Render and create a free account if you don't already have one. Sign up for OpenAI if you don't already have an account, so that you can get the OpenAI API key. You will need OpenAI API key to generate text responses to customers' queries. You need to purchase some credits in order to use it. Go to platform.openai.com, create an API key and copy it somewhere, because you will not be able to see it after you create it. Sign up for Twilio account if you don't already have one. Keep in mind, you will not be able to use trial account, since trial account will not work. You will need to upgrade your account to buy phone number to use for customers to call. Webhook.site is a free tool that allows you to easily test and debug webhooks. Copy your webhook URL and store it somewhere. Now let us see how we can build our custom voice agent. First, fork the GitHub repository account that you are seeing here, which is under Texas Learn AI. The repository name is AI Voice Agent Vocode template. Log into your own account, search for this template, and once you find it, you click on this fork button. I'll not be able to fork it now because I am the owner of this repository. This template will contain the files that you need to build the custom voice agent application. Next, go to render.com and log into your account. Once you are logged into render.com, click on this new button and then select this web service. Then select this first option, build and deploy from a Git repository. For this, you will need to connect your GitHub account. Click on this next button. Here you search for the AI voice agent Vocode template, and once you find the repository, you hit the connect button. Here you can see the repository that I connected 2 days before. Once you see the repository here, hit on this connect button. Once you do that, Render will automatically set most of the values for you. You can leave the name as it is, or you can change it to whatever name you want. In the region, you can specify the region that is closest to you. If you are in US, you can select Oregon or Ohio or Virginia. I have selected Oregon, and then leave the other values as they are. Then scroll down. You have different types of instances here. For our purpose, free one is enough. So select the free instance type. After that, we have to set this environment variables. We already created the accounts for different environment variables that we'll be needing here. We will need Open API key. You have to type in the API key value from your OpenAI account here. Then click on this add environment variable. Then let us add Twilio account SID and click this add variable button again. We will need Twilio auth token. Both of this Twilio account SID and Twilio account token you can obtain from your Twilio account. You can go to your Twilio web page and then click on this console. You will be needing this account SID and auth token, which you can copy from here and then paste into your Render account. Then click on add environment variable again. You will need the Deepgram API key that you stored earlier. We will be needing one more environment variable, which is transcript callback URL. I'm just typing in sample here. You need to get your own values. Set this to the webhook.set URL you want to call once a call is completed. Once you have provided all the values here, click on this create web service button. Web service will be created for you. Give it some time so that your web service will be created. You can check this events button, see how the deployment progressed. You will see this green check mark if the deployment was successful. Once your web service has been deployed, copy the render.com URL that you can see here. You can see it has been copied, and then go to your Twilio phone number. Go to the configure button of your Twilio phone number and then scroll down. You will see this webhook field. There you paste the URL that we copied and then add /inbound_call to that URL. You can see the value here. This is the URL that we copied from our render.com account, and then we have added this inbound_call, and then save your configuration changes by hitting this save configuration button. Once this step is done, now we are ready to test our custom voice agent. Let us call the number and test it. I will cast my phone onto the laptop screen so that you can follow along. Let me call the Twilio phone number.
Hello, Alex here. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I want to learn about computers.
That's great. Computers are fascinating machines, and there's a lot to learn. Is there anything specific you'd like to know about computers, or would you like a general overview?
I would like to know how to learn Python language.
Learning Python is a fantastic choice. It's a versatile and beginner-friendly programming language. To get started with Python, here are a few steps you can follow. 1. Set up the Python environment. Install Python on your computer from the official Python website, python.org.
Thank you. Bye. You can go to your webhook site now and you can check the entire conversation here. Congratulations, you built a custom voice bot that you can use with minimum cost compared to other tools. Bye until next video.